In the quiet corners of our world, far from cities, far from human eyes, life is experimenting, species are merging, boundaries are blurring, and nature is rewriting its own rules. Some hybrids are born from coincidence, some from climate change, some from human intervention. But all of them carry one thing in common: they challenge science. Tonight we embark on a journey across jungles, oceans, deserts, and frozen worlds to uncover hybrids so strange, so extraordinary, that even experts are left speechless. This is 12 hybrid animals that stun scientists. Liger, Lion x Tiger. Our first hybrid is a creature of impossible scale, the liger, a titan formed from the world's most iconic predators, the lion, king of the savannah, and the tiger, ruler of the jungle. When these two apex species meet in captivity, the result is a cat so large it dwarfs its own parents. Most ligers eat more than 25 pounds of meat per day, have paws the size of human faces, and can run with shocking speed despite their size. Scientists believe their enormous growth comes from a genetic phenomenon called hybrid growth dysregulation, where both parents contribute growth-promoting genes without the usual limitation. The liger is not just big, it is biology unleashed. Tigon, Tiger x Lion. If the liger is excess, the tigon is precision. They inherit the tiger's stripes, the lion's mane, and a compact body built for speed. But creating a tigon is extremely rare. Lions live in prides. Tigers live alone. Their instincts reject each other in the wild. Only in controlled environments do these two predators coexist long enough for this hybrid to exist. Yet every tigon born reminds scientists just how flexible and unpredictable evolution can be. Wholphin, false killer whale, bottlenose dolphin. Now, we dive into the ocean. Here swims a marine hybrid so rare, you could search a lifetime and never see one. The Wholphin. False killer whales and bottlenose dolphins share the open sea, but differ in size, hunting style, and social behavior. Yet somehow, nature aligned their paths. The first recorded Wholphin shocked researchers with its size. Larger than a dolphin, smaller than a whale, with teeth shaped exactly halfway between both parents. Even more astonishing, some Wholphins have successfully reproduced, defying the scientific expectation that hybrids must be sterile, a living marine anomaly. Grolar Bear, Grizzly x Polar Bear. The Arctic is changing, and the animals that depend on it are changing too. As polar bears lose ice, they wander farther south. As grizzlies adapt to warming temperatures, they wander farther north. In that overlap zone, a new hybrid emerges, the Grolar Bear. White and brown fur, long claws, incredible intelligence, and a metabolism perfectly tuned for both icy tundras and forested landscapes. Scientists say the Grolar Bear may become one of the dominant predators of a warming Arctic. It is not just a hybrid, it is a preview of the future. Zonkey, zebra times donkey. From the frozen north to the sunlit grasslands, meet the Zonkey, a creature so visually bizarre that people often mistake it for a photoshopped image. With zebra stripes running across donkey legs, the Zonkey is a living contradiction. Zebras prefer wild, alert lifestyles. Donkeys prefer calm, domestic environments. So natural hybridization is almost unheard of. Yet every now and then, their paths cross, and a Zonkey trots into existence, capturing hearts worldwide with its gentle mischief. Zorse, zebra x horse. Now imagine the elegance of a horse merged with the unpredictability of a zebra. This is the Zorse, a hybrid powerful enough to pull heavy loads but too wild to be considered fully domestic. Zorses inherit the horse's strength and the zebra's distrust of humans. They are alert, fierce, and mentally sharp. and their stripe patterns vary like fingerprints, each one unique. The Zorse teaches scientists how behavioral traits pass across species lines in ways we still don't fully understand. Geep, goat x sheep. The next hybrid is delicate, fragile, almost impossible. The Geep, born from a goat and a sheep. Even though goats and sheep often graze together, their chromosomes differ so much that most attempts result in miscarriage. But when a Geep survives, it becomes a scientific treasure. It behaves playfully like a goat, but grows wool like a sheep. It jumps, climbs, explores, and challenges researchers to rethink how genetic barriers can sometimes be crossed. Coywolf, coyote x wolf. Across American cities, from Boston to Detroit, a new predator walks among us, the Coywolf. This hybrid is a blend of eastern wolf, western coyote, and domestic dog. It's more adaptable than the wolf, more courageous than the coyote, and more social than either. Coywolves thrive in suburbs, hunt in packs, and even navigate traffic with startling intelligence. Scientists call them one of the most successful modern hybrids ever documented. Beefalo, cattle times American bison. In the United States, ranchers sought an animal tougher than cattle, but calmer than bison. The result was the Beefalo. This hybrid thrives in cold winters, consumes less food, and resists disease. But the Beefalo story has a darker side. Some wild bison herds were unintentionally hybridized decades ago, and conservationists now work tirelessly to preserve the pure American bison genome, a reminder that hybridization can solve problems and create new ones. Savannah cat, serval x domestic cat. Our next hybrid leaps into American homes with unmatched grace. The Savannah cat, a mix of an African serval and a domestic cat. Tall, athletic, and elegant, Savannahs can jump vertically over 8 feet. They move silently, hunt precisely, and maintain a wild curiosity you won't find in ordinary house cats. Their bond with humans is deep, but their energy is boundless. A pet for the few who can handle the wild. Jaglion, jaguar x lion. Now we enter the realm of the almost impossible, the Jaglion, a hybrid so rare that only a handful have ever lived. Jaglions inherit the muscle density of jaguars and the golden glow of lions. Their coats are patterned with ghost-like rosettes, their eyes sharp and intelligent. Most Jaglions result from accidents in captivity, often when young big cats are raised together before sexual maturity is understood. The result is a creature of extraordinary beauty, but also a powerful reminder of nature's fragile boundaries. Cama, camel x llama. Our final hybrid comes from science itself, the Cama, a fusion of the camel and the llama. Camels are massive, strong desert giants. Llamas are smaller, gentler mountain grazers. Scientists combine them to create an animal that could carry loads without being as large or aggressive as a camel. The Cama doesn't spit as much, eats less, and still withstands harsh environments. A human-made hybrid, built for endurance. Deep, quiet, emotional. From the oceans to the mountains, from the freezing Arctic to the burning sands, these hybrid animals remind us that nature is not fixed. It evolves, it adapts, it experiments. Some hybrids warn us, some fascinate us. Some exist only because we created them, but each one shows that life will always find a way, even in the most unexpected forms. This has been 12 hybrid animals that stun scientists, and the next discovery might already be out there, waiting to rewrite our understanding of life itself.